Hello friends, welcome to Salmon Sugar, and this time we are finally leaving from Philippines, which ended in January 2020. The last time we were there was in June 2013. So this is it, guys. We are leaving from Philippines. We traveled from Cebu to Osamis, stayed over there for a couple of nights, and then from Osamis now we are flying to Cebu. So let's enjoy the aerial view of Cebu, and as we watch, I'll share some fun facts of the Cebu city. Cebu City is officially the first highly urbanized city in the central part of the Philippines. According to the 2020 census, it has a population of 1 million people, making it the sixth most populated city in the nation. It is the Philippines' main domestic shipping port and is home to about 80% of the country's domestic shipping companies. Cebu is the country's oldest city. It was the first Spanish settlement and the first city of the Philippines. Cebu City was recognized by the British Council as the creative capital of the Philippines. Owing to its economic importance and influence in modern times, Cebu City is popularly called Queen City of the South. Cebu Island has entered the list of travelers' world-based islands, ranking thrice 2016, 17, and 19. The city and its island province are often marketed as a single tourist destination, combining natural countryside scenery and urban attractions including cultural, historical sites, and developing infrastructures. Tourism is one of the most important industries of the city. It remains as one of the most visited in the country by both domestic and foreign visitors. So that was it. Some fun facts of Cebu City. Now it's time to land the plane and touchdown. Now we are in Utto's and Ella's house, and Utto is the cousin of Sugar, and it was really good in meeting him and Ella together at his place. It's a beautiful place, and we had a very good feeling when we stayed there. Beautiful Christmas lights, food, and the place had good connectivity to almost the entire Cebu city, you can say. So let's have a look at Utto and Ella's house in the Cebu city.
to eat rice also now.
Where
Rice
is
also.
yours?
No.
Where?
Why you want to awake? Why? Why? Rice. Rice.
Only. Only.
Cook over here.
Ah, you asking?
Tarka wala. What are you saying?
I was saying that when we go to Singapore, we will keep the clothes for wearing in this.
Okay. Yeah. So this is the first room.
Hello.
It has bunk bed.
There's bunk bed. This is for me, this is for Sugar. And Ganesha will sleep down on the floor. There's a bed inside. I will remove it. Bye-bye.
This is the other room. Same size. There are two windows. It has toilet here. Big mirror. Yeah, bigger one. Yeah, what did you say to Mama, baby? I separated the 1 to 10.
Mamo popping last turn to get harassed by Prinaisha. But she doesn't have high fever anymore, no?
No.
Ah, good. Thank God. She was warm earlier.
Very warm.
Yeah. She will look for you in Singapore. She will ask us, Mamo popping? Mamo popping?
Oh, this one, Mama.
We will have to show air tickets. So we'll wait now before we go.
Huh?
We'll wait before we go. Mama popping can enter? No, they can't go.
Airplane inside. Since there's no airplane.
No airplane.
Inside okay. Want to? Release? Release.
Meron na yung bag, may gamay.
Inuno, papi.
Hindi masudlaw ng fan.
Pagpila lang kami sa immigration.
Okay, say bye-bye to Mama and Papi.
Di ba ba na?
Be good, ha?
Gagi na oh. Peng, ang kani pwede ninyo i-check-in.
Ha?
Kani o, pwede ninyo i-check-in. What? Usa gito rat mo? To. To 15.
2:15 na. So 12:30. No, 12.
Sulod na mo lang.
So they don't get bored waiting. At least waiting inside is much better.
Pinasya, open it in airplane.
In aeroplane.
Pinasya. Dito na dahil mo na. Namay, mas may man ito kasi sulod. Dire gigawas. Oo, higit.
Come, let's go.
Namata na mo. Balik kami. Patambok na. Tabo ka na naman yun ako lawas. Pinasya, come. Sayang mata. Kasi pa now. Balik daw. Say bye-bye now.
Let's go.
Check-in lang eh.
We'll take care. Yeah.
Take care your family.
Yeah, you too. We'll come back again to see what Astavis has done.
Ando na may peng.
Popping is emotional.
Come, let's go. Ito na ba yun na? Ah, popping. Popping, mamo. Nena, sit. Sit down. Oh, sit down. Properly. Sit down properly. Yan na. Ay, kagay ka. Lagi. Adili, namay. Paano? Bye-bye.
See you. Take care. Hello, bye-bye.
Tripping na ako.
Elevator.
Ha, sa elevator. Wala nang guro din ako. Ha, dali man kami.
Are you sure? The yellow one is ours. That one is ours.